What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Got my new YouTube channel going. About 4 weeks now. Not too shabby. A month ago. Nice. I haven't made any money off it yet, but you know, is what it is. But I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Okay, my age, going over this stuff. Got my new website, rwcweb.com. Okay, if you want to send me your email, be much appreciated. Also appreciated if you liked and subscribed and all that notification stuff going on with the YouTube thing. I wanted to real quick talk to you today about Aweber and e-commerce. Oh man, who knew that they did e-commerce? Now, if you got, or rather, what you can do. Sorry, I got some background noise over here. Okay, what you can do with these little sites, and I must say, this is a website coming from Aweber, which is an email marketing company. Service your emails. We gotta have these marketing companies like this. Affiliate marketing, the two top things that you need is a web presence, domain name, something online. Okay. Social media is great too, but you really have to have a web presence. Okay, if you're really going to be a real internet marketer and affiliate marketer. Okay, and you know, you don't have to have your own products. You know, you could do with other people's products. Okay. But usually it evolves into that. One of the biggest mistakes that I made in the business was not creating my own product from the beginning. Okay, because you know it's timely. It could take time, but affiliate marketing takes time also. Okay, or if you got a lot of money to dump into it, like I always say, that's the thing as well. Okay, now again, you'll need web hosting, a must. And you have to build an email list. That was the one, again, big mistake I made, big mistake a lot of people made. Okay? Now, I started back in the 90s doing computer service. Okay, the mistakes that I made, I've only been affiliate marketing since 2015. And for the first couple years, there was a couple of mistakes that I made in not compiling an email list from day one. Even if you do something general. Hi, my name is Bob. Okay, I'm an aspiring internet marketer. If you want to get on my list, I can show you some really great products and some cool stuff. I'm going to be, you know, reviewing them myself and going ahead of you and looking, you know, see how they are and test them. And, you know, I'm going to teach you all about it. Whatever. It could be in general. Okay. It could be, say, like, you know, if you know you're going to go into, like, the fashion design or something like that. If you know you're going to go into, like, woodworking and construction. Get something started relative to your niche. Anything. Okay, but get those emails pumping up. Because unless you got a lot of money to put into this also, it's going to take some time to build it the cheap way, you know. Okay, so ultimately with Aweber right here, affiliate product, probably not, because this is e-commerce. Okay, to do this as a site like this, as a landing page or something, it would be great too, but that's not what this is for. Okay, unless you can get an affiliate product that takes you right to the sales page. Okay. Alright. If you have, okay, I don't think this guy is open for business anymore. It's funny because a lot of these big time affiliate guys that are in ClickBank, in the beginning they weren't nothing and they would take anybody in. You know, now they a lot of them are getting snooty. but they're giving higher payouts and stuff like that. Okay, but if you could find an affiliate product where they either allow you to, go directly to the checkout, I would just say do this and put a button here. You wouldn't have to do this e-commerce thing and, do the Stripe thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but this is e-commerce. There's a difference. Okay, e-commerce, internet marketing, affiliate marketing. You have to learn these vocabularies. Okay, and it's all in my course. Okay, I break everything down for you, nice. Now, basically, what you could do. Okay, you can go. You can go to, and again, if you're going to do it with affiliate marketing, it's a little bit different. Okay, you can actually do it with like a drop shipping thing. Okay, if you got a source, I wouldn't recommend AliExpress, but I've used it before in the past, and they were just a disaster. But there are quite a few in the United States that do drop shipping now. Okay. There's a lot of different ways you could do it, but it's a very simple way you could do it as well. You could retail arbitrage, okay? Retail arbitrage, do it that way. I could show you how to build a nice little site on a couple of ensemble products with a retail arbitrage, okay? You can make it like a little blog and then have a shopping cart. Alrighty, so the best way to utilize this between this and Bluehost, okay, is to do a private label rights branding. Okay. Now, there is, again, if you got the money, you can outsource it, because a lot of people outsource stuff. Okay. You get free videos. So say, like, if you get, which would probably be the easiest thing, okay, to get a free video course. Okay. If you could do that, that would be cool. And then you could set the site up where the people would come here, sign in, or buy your product. It takes you to the email series of video learning. Okay, so what that would be, kind of high on the clock here. Okay, what that would be is you would take you would take your course in a video. Okay, I don't know what the hell I'm doing with this. What's going on with this? This don't work no more. Oh, there it is. Okay, you would take and give series of emails, okay, with the course. Alright, and each email you're going to have each email is going to have a video, right? Video. And then you'll have some information for them, of course, in the email. And another video, more information. You could also put affiliate links in these as well, okay, with related product. If this is a fitness thing, this would be dynamic, So that's how your series would go. So you would start out, with, the product, okay, that they sell. Okay, you would have, your sales page, and what would be on your sales page would be your products series, okay, and they would literally buy your product at this point. Now this isn't including how you got them there, okay, which would be, your lead capture page, trying to do this with my mouse, not my pen. I don't know where my pen got to. Okay, so you would have your lead capture page. You would bring them here. Okay, you know, and this could be your sales page too. Alrighty, could be your sales page as well. However way you want to do it, and you can easily do it in Aweber. Okay, because this is, you know, this is a real thing. This is a real full-blown website here. Okay, you know, this is definitely. Let's get this straightened out a little bit here. Okay, this guy. All right, this is a real thing. This is a real e-commerce site. All right. So, and you got to figure the product. If you know they want like 2% when you make a sale, that ain't a bad thing. Plus 30 cents with the Stripe, that ain't a bad thing at all. Okay. So you can have your products going. You have your landing page, sales page, bridge page, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And then it takes them, you know, it takes them to here. Okay. And that's this page here. And then they'll decide, or however way you want to format this, it's totally up to you. Okay. And then they'll decide what they want to buy or whatever. Okay. You can have it. There's no funnel involved here. They're already going to buy your product. Remember, you're gonna take these video PLR rights. Okay. Now let's see. We got a preview here. What's this telling us? Anything? Oh, I got to log in. Okay. All right, but you understand what I'm saying? In other words, they're going to give you. They're going to give you, just like I got those videos from that one site. Okay. They're going to give you a whole series of videos, and you know, you got to edit some things, you got to upload it to your site. There's a little bit to it you got to do, but if you do a series like this, okay, where they lead capture page, sales page, bridge page, okay, then they take it to your store. Okay, it's your own PLR product in your store. Okay, and then they, you know, what happens is, because you're using Aweber, then you're going to get the series of emails with the video learning. Okay, series of email with the video learning. It's a fantastic format, man. Let me tell you, it really is. It really is. It's the coolest thing to do. It takes a little time. Now, what you want to do is, the best way to do this is to limit it to one product. Okay. Also, this could be, doesn't have to be in video mode. Okay. This could be, you know, all text. It could be all like PDF learning. Okay. Like that. And if you really want to do everything from scratch too, you can just go to YouTube, make a YouTube channel, and literally sell your product with the written information. Okay. And then just make your YouTube videos part of the tutorials that you give to them. Okay, so it's a fantastic thing. It really is. Now, as far as, you know, putting it in place, well, let me show you how easy Aweber is to do things, to create things, I mean, it's just incredible. Let's just go to a blank. Okay, it's not always blankety blank. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. We'll leave that there. Okay. Okay. Oops. That's what happens when the old man can't type. Gotta look at the keyboard. Let's do it this way. Did I set up course right? Probably not. Okay, now we'll drag and drop something here. It'll be an image. Okay, image. That's my video course right there. Okay, and then we're gonna do a row. There's a row. Alright, and then let's just duplicate, and then we're gonna grab and drop another image. Okay, very easy stuff here. And then we're gonna go, let's put my man there. Let's put my man. How about my book? No, my book. We'll put this thing in here. Alright? Alright, and then we're gonna take and we're gonna do, okay, e-commerce, put a button over here, okay, button in the center. Oops, what happened? Okay. That will be it. So that quickly you could put stuff together. I mean, it's just immense. And with these templates, it's even easier. But, you know, once you get the account set up, you got your Stripe thing going on and everything, you got it going on. Boom, and then you'll upload your products to your website through Bluehost, whatever you decide to do. Okay, so it's a great tools we got with Aweber, Bluehost. There's the old man's old thing, huh? Woo, that's some old stuff. Look, 1999. Boy, what a year. Man, I'll tell you kids missed a lot. Alrighty, so this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay, got my new YouTube channel going. Hope you guys are liking and subscribing. Keep it up, please. Okay, hit that notification button. Got my new website going. Jump on my email list. Got some great stuff coming up for you guys. Okay, a lot of free stuff, a lot of good stuff. Take care.